What's up, guys? So here we are back at the same job, day number 2. Yesterday we spent about 4 hours prepping and masking the bathroom. Now we're going to get ready to spray on the primer. I've got a couple minor little repairs to make, but we're going to spray on the primer and then spray on the base color. All right, this is the color that's going to be going on today. It's the Melon Meloso from Sherwin Williams, but the material I'm using is from Midwest Chemicals. So this is going to be going on over everything that you see here. All right, you guys, so we just got done spraying the primer. So now I'm gonna wait about a good 20 minutes or so, let that kind of set up. I'll go there and kind of hot flash it with the compressor, with the air, and then I'll go ahead and get started on spraying the finished color. This is a base color, so remember, this is a custom job where we're gonna be doing a base color over everything, and then we're gonna trim it out in black. We might also change the color of the tub and the sink depending on how the black trim looks. They might decide to do the tub and the sink black, or they might decide to do the tub and the sink white, or they might just leave it with this base color, which is called Melon Meloso from Sherwin Williams. Now, it's not, you can't buy it at Sherwin Williams, you just get the color from Sherwin Williams, and then Midwest Chemicals will match it within a 10% variation. So that's the first coat. So now we're gonna wait about 10 to 12 minutes before we go in and do another coat. I've got to put 3 good coats on because remember, this is a custom job where I'm gonna be doing some black trim and some black designs on the tile wall. And so I've got to be comfortable enough to make sure I'm taping on it, nothing's gonna happen to it. So I'm gonna make it nice and thick to prepare for the design.